gosh, y'all. Obsessed. Obsessed. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing my go-to lip combo, which is gonna be a ombre lip look that I like to do. So I'm gonna be using this liner. It's like a dark brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lip with it. So when I'm lining my lip, I like to overline it a little bit because it gives me that really nice juicy plumped look to it. So that's what I'm doing. This is something I also like to do when I'm doing my lip. I shade in the sides like this. This also, for me, make it look fuller. Now I'm gonna use the back of the lip liner to just smudge out. Just smudge out the brown like that. See that? Now I'm gonna use my NYX butter gloss, and this one I'm gonna link it down below for you guys so you can find it. And I'm gonna go in the middle first, like so. This how I like to do it. I go in the middle first, like so. And then I just smudge it in like that. And I'm gonna go in and add some more. I then clean the brush, the applicator off, and I go over the darker part on the outside with it, like so. And that's gonna help to smudge out the liner. So as you can see, it looks really good, don't it? I absolutely love how it looks, but I like the middle to be even more lighter. So I go in with my concealer, and this is a light concealer that I have. I used it earlier, and I go into the middle like so. Because we're looking for that really nice ombre look. Oh my gosh. Y'all see that? I don't even need to add any more. That looks good. That looks so good. I'm then gonna go over it with my lip gloss. And this one I got from the beauty supply store, I believe. I also have this one. This one is from, I'm not sure where this one is from. I just got it in Walgreens, I believe. But this one is gonna plump my lips, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna use this very glossy one right here on top of what I have going on, because I really love what I have going on. It's glossy too, but this is gonna make it so much more glossy. Look at that. Ooh. And I'm not gonna smack my lips together again now that I have it on like that. I got a little on my teeth, but oh my gosh, y'all. I am obsessed with this look. So obsessed with it. Oh my gosh, y'all. Obsessed. Obsessed. Yes. I love it. Yeah, I've been wearing my lip like this lately, and even my girlfriends, they be like, I love your lip combo. What you using? So this is it. This is it right here. So as for the makeup look, I will be posting the video, of course, because it's a makeup tutorial I'm doing today, and I will link it down below for you guys.